What's going on? Michael Petty here. So, 4 years ago, I started in this system where I started giving away free marketing systems. So, I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm about to say. Giving away a free marketing system, when you get inside, positioning yourself to earn on everything and give away free systems, and you can make anywhere between $7 all the way up to $1,000. I am in position to earn $1,000 paydays, giving away a free marketing system, right? Not only does the system attract leads, it helps you create sales, and it also helps you get signups into your primary business. So therefore, right, along with the system also, not only does the system help you find buyers for your primary business opportunity, you'll make money even if they don't join your primary business opportunity. A residual income that pays month after month after month. My primary business opportunity pays daily up to $2,000. Every sale pays directly, unlimited income, one-time fee, lifetime memberships, and I use this system to promote my primary business to buyers. This system helped me find buyers to put my primary business in front of. Very, very simple. If you're looking for a way to generate leads to your business, 100% free leads, this system works like crazy. Click the link down in the description, get your free lead system, and start advertising. There's people out there who are trying to build a business. Most people, once they understand we are in a lead generation business, because without leads, you don't have nobody to look at your business. So you need to generate leads. This system helps you generate leads. You can build a humongous list. Once you get on the inside and watch the video on the inside, you will see how you can explode your list super fast, how this system help you find buyers, and how the system absolutely works and help you get signups into your primary business. Once again, click the link down in the description, get on the inside. I guarantee you that you're going to be absolutely amazed at what you're about to see.